Hi, class. As we draw to the end of the semester, I just wanted to put together this brief video to really thank you for being such a great class. I've really enjoyed getting to know you over these last 13 and now going on 14 weeks. You've done great. You really worked hard. There was a lot of work. I know that the groups aren't the funnest thing to do, but you've powered through those, and I appreciate that. I'm hoping that there was at least a few things that you picked up out of the course that you might be able to use either now for those of you that are working and in your careers, or that you'll be able to use in the future. I know that for most of you, marketing is not going to be your career, but many of you ought to think about making it your career. You've done so well, and hopefully you picked up some good ideas and some good concepts. Again, I wanted to thank you for being such a great class, and I just wanted to take a moment not only to thank you, but also to just have two parting words. One, just a thought, and the next, just my brief testimony. One, as you work your way through finishing school, some of you are actually graduating this semester, so congratulations to you, to those that have made it. Yeah, I know how that is. It's a long, hard struggle, and I'm grateful that you finished. And the rest of you are one semester closer. And so again, that's a kudos to you. It's great. But as you make your way through finishing schooling and continuing with your careers or moving on to your careers, whatever it is that you're going to be doing, whether you're working in a career or working out of the home or being a stay-at-home mom or whatever it is, just remember that the gospel of Jesus Christ is really about the one. It's about the individual. And so throughout your life, seek for those individuals that need a lifting hand, and be that person that can help them. There's a lot going on in the world. There's a lot of bad news, but the gospel is the good news, and it brings great comfort to everybody, but particularly to those that are in need. So I guess my parting counsel would be, look for that one. Look for that lost sheep that needs a helping hand and a shoulder and whatnot, and it'll be great. So just remember, this gospel is a gospel about the one. I've enjoyed getting to work and know you individually where I can. I know I have a very limited exposure to you, but through our exchange of texts and emails and in some cases phone calls, for me, it's been very rewarding, and I'm grateful that you kind of put up with me, so I appreciate that. Lastly, let me just close with my testimony. I do know that this is the gospel of Jesus Christ, and we just had a wonderful conference, and it's been great to see Revelation in action and see all the wonderful changes that are occurring. But I do want you to know that I do have a firm testimony of this gospel, and that we have the fullness of the gospel as it has been revealed to us today, and what a great blessing that is, not only in our personal lives, but also in our work lives. And I encourage you to continue on, particularly for those that are finishing school. Make education a lifelong pursuit. Continue to study, find new things. It doesn't have to be formal stuff, but continue to study the gospel and continue to study the world around us. It's wonderful. It has some great things here for us, and really the only thing you get to take from this world into the next is knowledge. So make that an active part of your life. Again, thank you for letting me be your instructor. I've really enjoyed working with you, and I wish you Godspeed as you move forward in your future endeavors. Thank you, and good luck.